Hello everyone! Do you know what is mathematical problem solving? If you don't, let's dive and explore what is mathematical problem solving into mathematics into modern. Let's go! I am Balana as your demonstrator number 1.
Hindi mo ba na itatanong Mundo'y may ayos na
And I am Arpia. I am your demonstrator number 2.
Halina, sumama na kayo.
Hello, I'm Barizo and I'm your director.
Tuklasin ang map sa buhay natin.
I am Brandon Gonzalez, I'm your editor.
Mga number at mga sign.
And I am Justin Michael Abuel as a scriptwriter.
Gusto nating sabihin at malaman. At kayo'y magtataka. Ay, mauunawaan. Halina, sumama na kayo. Maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro. Tuklasin
hey guys!
Can you help me answer these because I don't see it?
Do you know that there's an existing YouTube channel that can help you solve that kind of problem?
Oh, really? What it is?
Go more like this channel.
I will search. Thank you guys! But first, I need to know what is problem solving.
So, what is problem solving?
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we will going to teach problem solving. Let's go! But first, let's identify what problem solving is. Problem solving is the process of identifying and resolving issues or obstacles to achieve a desired goal or outcome. It involves understanding the problem, exploring potential causes, generating solutions, evaluating options, and implementing the most effective approach.
So I need to use 4 pieces. What are those?
So, what is the four bases?
There are 4 phases of problem solving according to George Borla. First is understand the problem. In understanding the problem, you will go to look for information given. Also, visualize, organize, and connect the information. Next is devise a plan. Once the problem is understood, the next step is to develop a strategy for solving it. This might involve using known formulas, drawing diagrams, or trying different techniques like guessing and checking. Next is carry out the plan. This involves executing the chosen plan and performing the necessary calculations or steps to arrive at a solution. Last is look back. After finding a solution, it's essential to review it and ensure it makes sense in the context of the problem. This step also involves checking the accuracy of the solution and reflecting on the process to improve the future problem-solving skills. We have a problem here. Ella has a coin and she has 8 pieces of 5 coins, 8 pieces of 10 and 6 pieces of 1 plus coin. So Ella wants to give each child 6 pesos using any combination of coins. So how many children can exactly receive 6 pesos from her? Going to use the 4 phases of problem solving and step 1 is understand the problem. So we will going to multiply 5 coins to 8 is equal to 40. Next is we will going to multiply 10 coins to 8 pieces. 10 times 8 is equal to 8. And last, we will going to multiply 1 coin to 6. 1 times 6 is 6. And if we add all of these, it is equal to 126. But we will not going to divide 126 by 6 because in the problem it stated that we will going to combine coins. We will going to combine 5, 10, and 1. This is step 2. Step 2 is devise a plan, and we will going to use act it out strategy to know how exactly we will get 6 pesos on the combination of the 5, 10, and 1 peso coins. Step 3 is carry out the plan. We will going to combine 5 coin and 1 coin. So we will get 6. Another one. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 exactly 6 peso coin. So 6 children can get exactly 6 using the available coins or the combination of these coins. As you can see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 6 students and 6 is the final answer. Can Ella make 10 peso and get for exchange? It is not allowed because we stick to exact 6 pesos only, because on the problem it is the only combination of coins to get exactly 6. Step 4 is look back. We will going to double check the coin we use. So it is the coin we use. It is exactly 6 for the 6 students. And as we can see, we have no coin to be combined to get exactly 6. So therefore, the answer, this is the final answer.
So this is the problem. Maria gave her sister 1 peso and 25 cents on the first day of March. And the second day, 2 pesos and 50 cents gave her sister. She continues to double the number of the coin each day. On the 7th day, Maria's sister need to get 150 pesos from her savings. How much money will remain on her savings if she get the 150 pesos? First, Ma'am Laika says that we need to understand our problem. So, here says that how much money does Maria give her sister on the first day? So, the answer is 1 peso and 25 cents. On the second day, Maria's sister received 2 pesos and 50 cents. And the question is, how much money will remain on her savings if she get the 150 pesos? Ma'am Laika says that we need to choose a strategy that will applicable to my problem. So, it is act it out. So, the step 3 is carry out the plan. But, how can I act it out if I don't have the material? That's why I need coins and at least calendar.
Here's the guys. Calendar.
So, first, Maria gave her sister 1 peso and 25 cents. On the second day, she gave her sister 2 pesos and 50 cents. And she continued double it every day. So to double it, we will give her 4 pesos and 4 pieces of 25 cents on the third day. And we will double it on the fourth day. And also we will double it on the fifth day until the 7th day. So, we will add all the coins from day 1 to day 7. First, on the first day, we have 1 peso and 25 cents plus 2 peso and 50 cents. On the third day, we will have 5 pesos because 4 pesos and 4 pieces of 25 cents is equivalent to 1. That's why we have 5 pesos. And on the fourth day, we will add the 10 pesos. And in the fifth day, we will add the 20 pesos. On the sixth day, we will add the 40 pesos. And on the seventh day, we will add the 80 pesos. And the total is 158 pesos and 75 cents. In the problem says that we need to get 150 pesos from the savings. So, this is 80 plus 40 is 120. plus 20 is 140 and plus 10 is 150. So, now, we already get the 150 and now we will count how many coins is remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the remaining coins is 8 pesos and 75 cents.
So now, we are here in our last step, which is look back. As I said earlier, the total amount of the coin from day 1 to day 7 is 158.75. And in the problem says that the sister of Maria will less 150 on her savings. So, we will less the 150 to 158.75 and the remaining is 8.75. As I says earlier, the remaining coins is 8.75. So, our problem is reasonable.
So, problem solving is a crucial skills that help us to our daily life. It helps us to navigate various challenges by involving identifying issue, analyzing data, and implementing effective solution. But in our case, the one effective approach to problem solving is the act out. In conclusion, the act out strategy is a valuable tool in problem solving. It helps us to understand problem better, think critically, and find creative solutions. By incorporating this strategy into our daily lives, we can become more effective problem solver and achieve our goals. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something.